Just an FYI for anyone with a Massey with a quadrant set up like this. If you ever want to work on this piece here, you take it apart, you can't get your fingers down in there to work on it. Do not remove these two bolts and let this arm fall down. When that falls down, the roller that's on the inside of the housing that works a lever falls down, the lever is spring loaded and pops back, and then the roller is on top of the lever instead of below it. Then you got this to work with after you get it all apart, just to put the roller back in place.